We're going to be improvising off the F blues scale so you can get an idea what's happening. Also, take a deeper dive. After I do a basic demonstration, there'll be a play along where I'm going to demonstrate and see if you can tell what tactics and tips that I'm using, and then there's 12 bars for you to go ahead and experiment. Big surprise at the end, so make sure you stay till the end, see if you can tell what's happening with the melody, see if you can tell what's going on. I don't want to give it away. Alright, so tip number 1, really important. You've learned a lot of notes, you've improved. Start off simple and easy. Let's go. Alright, so we know the F blues scale. When I mean easy, you're going to think of a phrase and just pick 2 pitches. And sometimes do this without a play along. Just go back and forth and play. Now, not really that impressive, but you got to get your ears moving. You're off the page, you're not looking at anything. Once you get comfortable, make another phrase and add to it. We can tell this is our home note, that's where we're playing, that's where we're grounding. Now that idea will correspond to my next tip. Tip number 2, quote the melody. Alright, so just in case if you don't know, we're playing Bags Groove. Here's the melody, it's pretty simple. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to quote the melody, which means you do not have to play it exactly like that. You could go ahead and change up the rhythm. You could only play part of it and then give a variation of it. All right, like this. 2, 3. Could even be simpler. 2, 3. So I left some notes out and then added the phrase in there. Number 3, call and response. Some musicians might say question and answer. I think that's a bigger topic. Call and response. That kind of works well, like repeat a phrase, but now you're adding to it. So this is a longer sentence structure. For an example, here I go. Call, and I'll respond. Something like that, or something even easier. Here I go again. That has some spice into it. That's fun. That'd be a lot of fun there. Leaving space. This is tip number 4. We naturally, instinctively should do this, but as you can tell as I'm speaking and instructing, I'm not just mumbling and going on over and over again really fast, because then I'd probably already have 5 people that clicked off. So you want to give space so your brain can catch up, but also you're making music. You're creating a phrase.